Hello everybody, welcome to my channel if you are new, welcome back if you are returning. My name is Keisha and I'm here to plan for the week of August 19th through the 25th. This is my everyday planner I take with me every day. I just said that. And this week I'm actually going to be planning with the same kit that I just finished with this last week. And I wanted to show you how you can use leftovers to plan a week that looks completely different from what you did the week before. So if you want to see how you can plan using kit leftovers, then just stick around. All right, so last week I used all of my full boxes that I wanted to for the first week of school, and here's what I have left on my full boxes. And I am definitely going to use them now that I didn't use them last week. So we have this cute teacher girl that I think looks just not like me. She looks similar to me, but she doesn't look just like me. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give her a little bit of a background. The cool thing is a lot of people think that washi just needs to be used as like, to mark down that you have a lot of days, something along those lines. But honestly, I really think that a washi could be used as like a decorative backer. So I'm going to try that without trying to cut the paper. Let's see if I did. Okay, not too bad of a job. And we're gonna put her right here so that she overlaps. Actually, I have extra room, so let's put her on my hand. And let's put the blue down so that we get a little bit of diversity. Why am I choosing this box? Because the last couple weeks, this is the box that I've been choosing to do like all my decorations in. Because it's close to the coil, and one, I didn't want to waste space by putting nothing there in case I did need a true strength of to-dos, but let's move her down just a little bit. But yeah, there we go. So cute. A good way to mark my first week back to school, except for it's, again, not my first week. It's just the first week back to school, for the students that go and attend the school that I, coach at. So, let's put the cute little caterpillar. Let's put him after school right here because I don't think I have anything after school that day. Actually, let's put him after school on this day later. I won't have a lot of meetings this week, but I will be observing a lot of teachers, so there's that. Now, this one, I do want to put some more of this washi down to use as decoration. Let's see. Put it right here. Okay. I won't have to cut too much, just a little on that line. That actually kind of works out super good. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here. I'm going to place this down on the blue so that I can cut this off and put it down as well. See if it cuts correctly. Yes. Ooh, that was loud, sorry. I don't think we have anything going on this weekend. But you never know. So I'll put the picture of the hallway on this cute weekend. I never go to my school on a weekend. We are one of the schools, actually one of the districts that we stay closed on the weekends. It creates a good work-life balance, gives us the opportunity to say no if we need to. All right, this cute lunchbox that says Kittenish. I think it could even be a backpack, but it says back to school, or school is cool on it. We will put this right here. Now you're probably saying, wait, Keisha, don't you normally put your checklist in that one? Yes, but instead of the ombre checklist that I used last week, these ones, I am actually going to use the big squares. I think they are so cute and they will give me the opportunity to mix it up a little bit. So there's that. And I don't know if it's going to provide enough to-dos for me, but the nice thing is there's always a notebook. I can always pull out a notebook and do to-dos that way. So I think I need to put these a little bit closer together. So let's do that. I like the idea of alternating. It's probably gonna take me forever to put this down. Let me speed through this so you don't have to watch it. Oh Lord, that took a long time to do, but I did it. And I realized that I did this one a little too close. So I'm gonna lift this pink one, put this one, or a little too far, I shouldn't have said close, a little too far away from each other. And we'll add one of the blues so that it is not just such a waste of space. That's a lot of to-dos though. That gives me a good space. And then if I need to, I can put them in here. So okay, so that went through a lot of my checklist, which is kind of cool. Next up, I'm going to mark the gymnastics that Layla has on Tuesday. So let's pull in, I didn't use any of these, any of the rectangle boxes. So we'll put this in for gymnastics, and we are pulling gymnastics from here, maybe. This is just like a big script sampler that I made myself of just a bunch of things that could be popping up in the year. All right, let me look at my calendar real quick to see if there's anything else. Wow, I just looked at my schedule. There's virtually nothing going on, which is very rare. So now what we can do is let's put down some boxes here to mark our to-dos. So we'll use, pink here. We'll use indigo here. It's a pretty purple color. It's more of a lavender. This is more of an indigo. Then we'll use the indigo here. Yellow on this one. And then this last box, I just kind of like did every fourth color, you know? Yellow, blue, pink, purple, yellow, blue, pink. So I'll just go what is next, which is pink. See, kind of going in order. All right, those are all of my to-dos. Okay. Let's see, I think that that's all I need to mark. So actually, I think I might pull these girls in. I wasn't going to, but because my week is looking super sparse, why did I just rip her? Then I am going to be creative. I'm also going to use these. They're not quite full box size, but they would be a cute back, you know? Like put this here and then put her here. Okay. Oh, so cute. And then this one, it's the cute like checker, and I will do that towards the bottom and put the cute girl with the matcha. All right, so that sheet is done. I don't think that there is anything else going on this week that I need to add. Obviously I will keep this in my planner. Maybe it's not obvious. I keep these in my planner just in case things get added that I didn't realize I needed to add. So here's what I have left from what I brought in this last week. I have a couple of checklists each color. I have just those squares. Some square boxes, some circle boxes. There's another set of ombres. This is like a fold over box, so it folds over like every other, you know. We'll see if I can pull those in anywhere. I love the daisies though. Some more of those boxes, and then I brought this in last and I did not use it at all this week. So yeah, let me fill it out, get it back into my planner, and I will show you the comparable to both weeks. All right, so we are back in the planner. I wanted to show you. So this is what my week looks like compared to last week. So last week I decorated it very busy and loud, and these checklists really just fill everything. But then this tones it down. I feel like it's missing something up here, but that's the thing, is that I now have room to fill in meetings because this is when my meetings are gonna start happening. So this just goes to show that you can use your kit leftovers even from week to week. So if you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Bye guys.